Hello, my friends, and welcome back to 1111 Outdoors. We're going to be looking at box knives today, and more to the point, ETC box knives. Now, I know people that carry the Milwaukee, or people that carry things like this. I think there's a couple of other companies that make these big, bulky box knives. I've seen guys carry these, and I get it. I mean, hey, that gets the job done. If that's what does it for you, then go for it. But for me, I can't really carry one of these big bulky things around. I need something a little slimmer, a little lighter, a little low profile, something I can drop in my watch pocket or you know snap on my bag or something that is easier to carry than this giant brick right here. Not that this thing has been bad. This has actually been a really good box knife. I can't remember where I got. I know I got it from Lowe's, but I can't remember. I think it came with a package. It was a bonus gift or something like that. And it served me really well. I mean, I've had it through many, many jobs. It's done an outstanding job. But like I said, I can't really justify carrying this big brick around. It is great for what it does, but it's not an EDC item in my opinion. I know a lot of people carry them, and if you do, then hey, good on you. But me, I like to carry a little bit more, a little bit nicer stuff. I carry the Leatherman Arc. I carry the Yonder. I carry a variety of knives and multi-tools here and there, and they have really nice blades on them. And I don't want to torture those blades. So having a box knife spares my blades. So if I'm going to do something absolutely insane, I'm grabbing the box knife. And here lately, there are some companies that have given us some box knives that are really outstanding. I mean, really outstanding. Like, I don't know if you're a fan of O Knife, but O Knife makes really nice knives. This is a Roboto 3, and it is awesome. It is a great little knife. The Roboto 3 is, in my opinion, just an outstanding knife. I've carried it many, many times, and I have grown to love that knife. And it's made by O Knife. O Knife also brings us the Otical U1. And this is a box knife. Super slim, super lightweight, 2.8 ounces, 3.3 inches closed. Open, it's 5.5 inches. Pretty cool. Pretty outstanding little knife. It's G10. You can see this G10 here, and it has a carbon fiber overlay. So it's not carbon fiber, but it kind of has that carbon fiber look. Really nice. Most of the bulk there is the G10. But look at how much blade real estate we have here. This long cutting edge, it's pretty fantastic. When you compare it to like the old box knife I was showing you earlier, look at how much more real estate you have. That's a benefit. That's a good deal. I like the added blade length. That is fantastic. I've carried this one quite a bit. Really, really enjoy it. Really like it. It's not that expensive. I mean, the price kind of varies on Amazon, but I'll leave a link to it in the description. It's a really nice little box knife. You get, like I said, almost 2 inches of cutting edge here. You have a pocket clip. It's not reversible, but you got a pocket clip. You can clip it to a bag. You can clip it to your pocket. Whatever you feel like doing. It's a pretty outstanding little box knife from O Knife. The next one I want to show you is made by a company that we've known to love. This is the Yonder from Civivi. And one of my favorite Civivis is the Elementum. Elementum is a great little knife. I mean, it is pretty fantastic. As far as a budget knife goes, this is a great knife. Fantastic. I love this knife. And Civivi has brought us the Elementum utility knife, which is very, very neat. And you can tell it's inspired by the Elementum. Very, very similar. Very, very different. But let's say you're carrying this blade and you don't want to torture this blade. Just break this one out. You could torture this blade all you want and then just replace it. It comes with, I think, 3 cartridges, but it'll take any standard. Both of these will take any standard blade. So if it goes in a box knife, it'll go in these. Really nice. The thing I like about this one is it has the button lock, it has a stud, but it also has a flipper. The cool thing about the flipper is it has traction on it right here that helps you get traction this way, but it also flips over and gives you traction here. So it's you really feel that. I mean, not, it's not aggravating at all. It's actually very confidence inspiring. I really like the grip on this one. It could have stood to be a little bit longer, but I mean, it doesn't bother me. You can cheat up here if you want to, but I mean, I'm not a big fan of putting my trigger finger in harm's way. That's your Elemental utility knife. It does have a box clip, a pocket clip that is reversible. That's nice. Well, there you go. That's a couple of box knives for you. If you're looking into getting a box knife to take the rough work off of your blade, or if you don't want to put your blade in harm's way and you want something to kind of a stuntman for your main knife, there you go. These two are my picks. They're my favorite. There's a bunch of them out there. There's some that are less expensive. Some of them are crazy expensive, but these two, I think they're pretty budget friendly for what they are. And I have confidence that they'll be around a while because they're made by really good companies. O Knife I love. Civivi I love. Well, there you go. That's my take on box knives. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I mean, I got to tell you, my subscriber count is finally going up. I'm a very small channel. I'm not sponsored by anyone. No one has paid me to say anything. No one will pay me to say anything. If you're looking for a good, honest review of blades, knives, multi-tools, whatever, if it's coming from here, my word's not bought. I'm not for sale. So come here for the good stuff. Come here for a good word. And thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate every one of you. Have a great evening. This is 1111 Outdoors. We'll talk to you soon.